What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about 5 common detailing mistakes and how to avoid them. Like and subscribe for more videos. Common mistake number 1, detailing or washing your car in the direct sunlight. Gets the car surface too hot, water evaporates too fast, and can concentrate dangerous chemicals on your paint. So this is the hardest one for me to deal with because Will Smith said it best. As soon as it's summertime, you want to get your car clean so you can drive 5 miles an hour so everybody sees you. The problem is that hot sun is going to dry chemicals, dry the soap onto your car's surface, and can concentrate and cause damage. When you want to wash your car when it's hot out, make sure you have at least some coverage from clouds, a tree, or if you can bring it inside like this is ideal. Common mistake number 2, forgetting to start with the wheels and tires. You've all seen all the videos on how to properly wash your car, and everybody is in agreement that you start from the top and let that dirt and debris wash down. So the last thing you're washing is the bottom. The exception is your tires because they are the most dirty. The brake dust collects on your wheels. You want more time for those chemicals to set up and break down that grime. So what you want to do is remember to start by applying your wheel and tire cleaner first and then starting wash with the top of the car. Common mistake number 3, using too much product. Whether it's a car wash, upholstery cleaner, a tire finish, or even a glass cleaner, if you use too much, that's not always better. It may seem at first that more product is going to make your job easier. In reality, that's not true. The best way to go about cleaning and detailing your car is following the instructions on the individual products. They're there for a reason. Manufacturers have dialed those in for really effective cleaning. Anything else is either wasting your money, going through too much product, or is actually going to cause potential damage to your car by putting too much product on the car. Anything you put on, you have to take off, and a lot of that is true for a lot of these products. For upholstery cleaner, for glass cleaner, for soaps and shampoos on your car, all of that needs to come off after it's done cleaning. For things like tire shines, you can put more and more on and make it look shiny and shiny, but as soon as you get a quarter mile down the road, you're gonna have sling all down your car. So use the recommended amount, more is not better. Using more carpet and upholstery cleaner is not better. Typically stains are on the surface. Any excess product is gonna go down into your fabric that you're gonna have to try to pull out with either an extractor or lots and lots of towels. Those soaps and surfactants can actually start breaking down adhesives within your upholstery. So again, more is not better. Common mistake number 4, cross-contamination with your microfiber towels. Whether it's different soils and dirts going into the towel or different chemicals going into the towel, you want to keep them separate. You don't want wheel acid going onto your glass or onto your upholstery. You want to keep them separate. Here we have different bins for our microfibers to keep them separate. Glass, paint and polish, all-purpose, and then drying. Just to make sure we're not cross-contaminating those stains, that debris, and the chemicals. If you're interested in properly washing these, we'll put a link below that our esteemed colleague Rich put on a few weeks ago. Common mistake number 5, using the wrong glass cleaner. It might seem a little bit like a plug, but the fact of the matter is we would not be here making this video if it wasn't for Invisible Glass solving a very real problem with streaks. For years, we've had detailers coming up to us thinking that their technique, their towels, or something was wrong when really it was their glass cleaner. You need 0 residue for people looking through their windshields when they're seeing that first sit in their newly detailed car. Get Invisible Glass. So those are 5 of the most common mistakes people make when detailing their car. Which one are you guilty of? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.